Hey guys, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today I wanted to just bring you a quick video on my unboxing. I recently shopped online for some plants, and I wanted to share that with you, give you a little review on the shop and my experience with this particular shop. And this is actually my second time purchasing from this particular online shop. Well, it's not even an online shop, actually. Sorry. This is a shop that is physically in Milton, the city of Milton, which is in the Greater Toronto area in Canada, Ontario to be specific. And she's a black owner. She's actually from my country, Ghana. Represent. But I actually discovered this shop while I was watching a video by DIY Danny. She remade or made over her shop for her during the first wave of the pandemic. And I thought, you know what, I love plants and she's black, or she's a woman of color, so I just wanted to support, and that's what I did. Purchase some plants. Now the first few plants that I picked up from her shop, first one was Burrow's Tail, and the size was a 2.5 inch Burrow's Tail. Then I also picked up Calissia elegans, and then the last thing I picked up from her, the last thing I picked up on my first order from her was the string of hearts. And I had a good experience the first time, but next time I think I'll invest in a bigger Burrow's Tail. My Calissia and my string of hearts are doing very well, actually. They're growing quite fiercely, and I'm loving them. I recently just gave my string of hearts a clip or a haircut, and I'm planning to share that soon, actually, but stay tuned. All right, so before I open up my box, I just want to let you guys know that these plants are not rare plants. However, they are beautiful plants. They're I believe they're all on my wish list. I purchased plants from a place or a shop called Gro For It, and it's spelled Gro, not with the W, Gro For It, and it's in Milton, Ontario. And she has an online store as well, or an online access as well for you to purchase from. And here we go. So I picked up 4 plants. This is the box that it came in. And in terms of shipping, I think I ordered it around April 6th. I think because of our lockdown, we're on our third wave of the lockdown right now in Toronto or in Ontario. But I think because of the lockdown and issues with that, surrounding that and shipment, it didn't get shipped out till maybe a few days ago. So a few days ago, I received a notification that it was shipped. And I have received it now 3 days later. Okay, so this is the package, 4 plants. All right, here we go, guys. So I'm just going to open this up. Okay, that's nice packaging. Just gonna keep the box over here for all the dirt that might fall out. Okay, so this is the Skindapsis Exotica, I believe it is.
Is that your plants?
Right, so this is, as I mentioned, the Skindapsis Exotica, or Skindapsis. Okay, I'll just put the name down on the screen, okay? But this is a 4-inch pot. Okay. As I mentioned, this is a 4-inch pot. Bless you. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, my foot's falling asleep, guys. It's a little uncomfortable. Give me a second here. I want to grab a pair of scissors. Hold on. Okay. Got me some scissors. Make this a little bit easier for myself. Okay.
Dad, and your mom, before I tell the bed.
Sorry, I keep getting interrupted. Here. Okay, so here it is. She has it labeled over here, Skindapsis Exotica. I was right. Whoop, whoop. But look at how beautiful the foliage is. Oh my goodness. I've been seeing this all on YouTube, and I'm like, yo, it's so beautiful. I want one. But look at how beautiful this is. Does this work when we put your hand behind the item? No, it's not zooming in. Anyways, it's beautiful. I love it. So this is the 4-inch pot, and it has new growth coming out from here. So that's a good sign. It feels nice and strong and healthy. It looks healthy. It's beautiful. Okay, so that's my first plant. Okay. Next, there. Ooh, I think I know which this is. Y'all get a peek? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Ah! Let's see. Okay, hold on. Okay, so did you guys guess what that was? Whew. Wow, look at that. String of pearls. This is such a full pot. Oh my goodness. Yay! This is one of my wish list plants for sure. String of pearls. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so full. It's so full. I actually wasn't expecting it to be this full. I really wasn't. But wow. Yay. Wow. Okay, this is beautiful. I'm gonna take some time in a little bit to maybe unravel it a little bit, but this is beautiful, guys. Look at that. I'm so excited. Yeah, so string of pearls, and it's a 4-inch pot as well, but it's nice and full, so this is a thumbs up. Wow, that's awesome. This is awesome. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Next plant. All right. Next plant. I love the wrapping. I believe this is her logo, the Monstera. Or part of her logo, something like that. But it's beautiful wrapping paper. So nice. So nice. Alright, so third plant. Let's see. I don't remember what I ordered really, but let's take a look to see what this is. Oh! Adansonii! Adansonii!
Oh my God! Wow!
Woo! Sorry for the sound effects, guys. I'm excited.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
Oh. This is nice. Okay. Let me cut this a little bit over here. She did a great job wrapping these plants. It's not too messy. It's not messy at all, actually, which is a good thing. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There, my Monstera Adansonii, right? Yes. Yes, so this pot was $15, a 4-inch pot, and it has, let's see, looks like two stems growing out of this, but I believe these are prolific growers once they're in their element, and it should grow pretty quickly. So I'm excited about this one. But look at that. Oh wow, so nice. Two stems growing in there. It's so beautiful. Very nice. Okay, so I'm excited about this one too. I can't wait for it to grow bushier and longer, and I'm most likely going to propagate this so that I could get maybe a fuller pot. But possibilities, guys. Yes. All right. Next plant. I'm so happy about my purchases thus far, guys.
Mom, do I say next?
All right, final plant, guys. Let's take a look. Now this plant, I know what it is, and I just wanted to give you a little background on it to begin. This is from a section of her website, or I guess her shop, which is called Rescue Plants, I believe. I think it's some plants that she has that might have gone through some kind of trauma one way or another, that just need some more loving, some extra loving. So she's selling them, and let's take a look. Yeah, this is supposed to be a rubber tree. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, this definitely is gonna need some loving, some extra loving. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. The leaves are so tiny. What does that mean? I don't know. Is it supposed to be this tiny? I guess that's why it's under her sale section, because they're not as big as, the leaves aren't as big as they usually come, I suppose. Interesting. Let's see. Okay, so this is the Ficus burgundy rubber plant. Sorry, did I say rubber tree? I don't know. Rubber plant. ficus burgundy. So it's beautiful and it's cute and it's tiny. Okay. So what do I do with this? Okay, I'm gonna love it. Obviously, it's so cute. Look at the leaves, they're so tiny. Are they gonna get bigger? Is this like a mini, like a dwarf version or something? Is that such a thing? Is that a thing? I don't know, but it's cute. And we'll see what this turns into. We'll see what possibilities come out of this. Okay, so that about wraps up my plant haul. I'm pleased. Overall, I'm pleased and I'm satisfied with my purchases or my purchase and the plants that I got within this purchase. And there'll be more. I'll be purchasing some more from Gro For It once again. And you know, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do so before you go. Join the family, okay? All right, guys, have a good day. Take care.